How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today I'm working on a car here in the shop, and we had a lot of brake dust on the wheels. And I watched a couple videos on this Willie Clean, and that looked good, so I wanted to try it. You're not going to believe what this stuff did to my wheels. Check it out. Okay, this is the wheel before the Willie Clean. We used it. As you can see, it's really black, and I tried a couple different cleaners on here. I used one of them green scratchy pads and some cleaner. Nothing would phase it. You can see how black that is, and what that is that's brake dust on there. So I'm going to show you the wheel after we had got done. After we got done with cleaning it, here's the wheel, the other wheel that we did. Look at this. Look around that. That is absolutely beautiful compared to that other wheel. Look at the back of it. It did an awesome job. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this wheel, and I'm going to do a YouTube video on it so you guys can see just how well it works. If your rims look like this, they could look like this. Let's get started. So now the Willie Clean that we're using it's already mixed 33% concentrate. Now you can get this full strength. I wanted to see how it worked, so I got a little bit cheaper one here just to see if it would actually work, because I didn't want too much of it. But now I think I might have made a mistake. I should have got the full strength and then mixed it myself, because this is going to be something that'll be great here in the shop. So what you have to do is you have to have a bottle, some kind of a spray bottle to spray it with. And then what you want to do is spray this on and let it soak for a little bit. It's basically going to soak for about 10 minutes, but we're going to use some brushes, and we're going to kind of agitate it a little bit to make sure that it gets down in all them cracks. So I just have an old brush here I picked up at Lowe's or whatever, and we're just going to brush it. We're not going to go crazy. We're just going to agitate it into the that wheel. Try to get all that brake dust covered with that cleaner. Now our two front ones are the worst. The two back ones are not that bad. So we'll get these cleaned up. These back ones will be a piece of cake, I'm sure. You can see that it's actually already taken it off over here on this side. Look at that. Watch this. Look at that.
Yeah, it is.
It's already taken it off. I love this stuff. We're going to give it another little squirt. Just kind of let it soak down in there.
Some spots are worse.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. But if you got them bad wheels, whew, I'm telling you, this stuff is it's definitely the ticket for taking that off. Just a little brush goes a long ways on it. I guarantee you, if I rinse this right now, I'd see a big difference already. And what we'll do is, while this back, after I agitate it again, after we get it all agitated, we'll leave it soak, and we'll start working on the front a little bit. And then we'll come back to the back. We'll do this maybe 2, maybe 3 times. It's worth it. At the end, it's worth agitating it. I'm not going crazy. I'm just brushing it. So now we're going to flip our wheel over. Then we'll get the front of it done. Now you can see how black this is. So we'll go ahead and spray the whole front down again. Well, not again, but we'll spray it down. We even do the lug nut holes. Everything. Okay, now we'll get to agitating it. And like I said, it might take a little while, but look at this. Watch this. You can see it come. It's just wiping it off right there. And I couldn't get that off with What do you call them? Green pads?
Like just a... I don't know what the name of them are.
I used one of them green scratchy pads on there with that other Diablo cleaner, and it didn't do nothing for me.
Yeah.
But this stuff here, whew, this is some good stuff. You can see this is all we're doing. All we're doing is agitating that stuff around there, just scratching it in there. Okay, we'll let that, let me put some more on there. We're going to put some more on there, and then we're going to go to the back of it.
Yeah, it says not to let it dry up.
Yeah, you don't want to let it dry on there.
Keep it wet.
So now we're going to flip this rim over, and we're going to go right to the back side. Now we're going to spray it a little bit. We'll just agitate that in again. So this will be our second time going over the back. And we'll go over the front one more time, and then we're going to clean it off. So this will have time to soak a little bit longer. You may not need as much as I'm putting on, but I got it. I'm going to use it.
And these are pretty bad.
Yeah, they're really bad. These are super bad. I don't know that I ever seen a rim that bad with brake dust on it. I'll give you a little spray just for a little bit. Now, we by no means are these perfect rims, but they're sure going to look better than what they did before. You can see it's been curved right there. But they're better than steel rims, so I think they'll look nice. Alright, what do you think?
Oh, whoops.
What do you think? We try it?
Yeah, if you want to.
Alright, let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Look at that rim. From what it looked like to there, I'll do half of it. Look at that. Look at that side over here compared to that side over there. That's unreal. This stuff works. It's amazing how well it works. And if there's places we have to redo a little bit more,
yeah, this
we could do it.
It's a little too fat to fit way down in there.
A nice round nylon brush would have been nice to get down in them cracks. But you can see, plainly see, this thing
right here.
is coming clean.
Something right there on this.
Wow, that's unreal. That is unreal. Let's see what the backside turned out like. It's got a little water on it now, so we'll take the water hose and spray it too.
There's a lot of tar. This black stuff, that's all tar off the roads.
Even that down in there had come clean.
Yeah.
I mean, compared to what it was, it's like a brand new rim. Alright, give me that water hose there. As you guys can see, this rim looks brand spanking new. It's beautiful. Okay, that's number 2. I'm telling you, that Willie Clean works great. Okay, that's what the wheel looked like finished. All cleaned up. Drew a little bit of wax on them just to try to keep some of that brake dust from getting on there again. Nothing better than that Willie Clean. I'll leave a link in the description down below. If you guys are interested in trying this stuff out, you're not going to go wrong. If you got brake dust on your wheels and you want to get it off, definitely try the Willie Clean. So I would like to tell you thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.